y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Kinder Beauty 2021, September 2021 subscription unboxing. It came really late this month. What is today when I'm filming? What is this date? Tuesday, it's the 28th. The 28th of September, so this is almost the end of the month that it decided to show up, but it's here. So let's go ahead and get this filmed, so hopefully I can get it up for you tomorrow on the 29th. But it is here. And before we get started, I did want to mention I used the Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in Brunch on my eyes very lightly today. And as you can tell, it just gives a beautiful, almost natural-ish sheen. And I think it's gorgeous. I am so in love with this color. Definitely one I plan to keep. And yeah, check that out if you're interested. I think it's really, really pretty. My hair is nice and light and bouncy today. I got a haircut earlier from my girl Lauren at Fringe Baltimore. If you guys are ever in the area and need a haircut, go to Fringe. I think the past year or so they've been best of Baltimore anyway, so check them out if you are in the area and need a hair do. But with that all said, let's go ahead and look into this box. So I am one of the people that is able to customize their box. I think you have to get a certain number of subscriptions before they let you customize which box you want. And it's not really customizing. They put out two options and they let you choose which one you want. So typically I will go through, there's usually a couple products in there that are the same in each box. And whatever the variant ones are, I'll look at them and I'll see, especially if it's skincare, I'll try to pick the one that has the least problematic ingredients. Or if it's a matter of like a lip gloss or a makeup item, I'll just go with the color that I prefer. So I don't even remember which one I chose, so let's go ahead and take a look through. It looks like I picked the Night Owl box. There must have been like a day box, I suppose. And I am so happy that they're now just printing it on the card instead of putting a card in here to say, hey, we're not doing cards anymore, live online. That got on my nerves so bad. So this, love. And it looks like we have 5 products this month. So the first one is large. It's right here on top. This is from Provence. I've been reading too many random French words lately. I think it's Provence Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliator and Resurfacing Mask. So here it is. It comes with a tearaway, and then there's a resealable plastic thing in here. And it feels like the mask is thick. Like this feels thick. Is this a sheet mask or a actual mask? Let's read about it. So this is a $36 value. This mask contains a powerful blend of 6 raw ingredients that can achieve different results based on what you mix with it. Oh, interesting. Add water for maximum exfoliation, oil to nourish sensitive skin, or vegan yogurt to tame oily skin. So that's interesting. So it must be like a powder. That's why it feels thick. That makes a lot more sense now. So very interesting. I love getting masks, so I'm very excited to try this. I don't love that it's got lavender flower as one of the main ingredients, but this is something you will put on and wash off. And I try to personally treat masks as more of a luxury treatment, more of a just for fun treatment, a relaxing thing, and less of a skincare thing. But yeah, I don't love that lavender is so high on there. We'll see whenever this makes my empties how I like it. But I'm excited to get a mask. Now the next thing I'm not so jazzed about because it feels like a throwaway. It is a scrunchie. It looks like it's from Moonlit Skincare. And it doesn't feel particularly fantastic in any way. It says it's a $10 value. If you're paying $10 for just a basic ass scrunchie, please reevaluate your life. It says it's a bamboo silk scrunchie in purple haze. The silky smooth scrunchie is made from soft bamboo, which means no ridges, breakage, or damage to your hair. And I can tell you, I can feel the rubber in here. This will leave ridges in your hair, so just note that. But at a $10 value, it doesn't feel like it's just an extra added freebie. It feels like it's supposed to be a contributing part of the box, and this is a total miss for me. Like, no, I'm not a fan. at all. I'll use it, but I'm not a fan of that being a contributing part of the box, in my opinion. Just my opinion though. Next item, this is Stress Check Kind Hands from This Works. Soothing hand cream for dry, overwashed hands. If that's not the most appropriate thing to get in a box in the midst of a global pandemic, I don't know what is, because we're all just washing our hands to oblivion. So let's see, this is a $12 value. I don't think that's bad for a hand lotion at all. Not at all. This highly moisturizing cream contains vitamin E and shea butter for rich, luxurious softness. Can't beat that. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I'm already using a lotion in my nightstand for my hands right now, but I am going to put this on standby and it will be the next one I open. I'm very excited about it. The next item we've got in here is from Source Vital Apothecary. It's a Meditate Essential Oil Roll-On. Let's give it a sniff. It's very light scent. I imagine I'm not going to be able to get a good scent read on that unless I roll it on myself. And I've got on perfume today, so I don't really want to do that. But let's read about it. It's a $12.95 value. And this roll-on blend of patchouli, lime, bergamot, and geranium oils. So I already like that because that's kind of a different combination than what we usually get with like lavender and chamomile and all that stuff for like a meditative, relaxing oil blend. But let me get back to the reading. I just cut myself off. Is designed to bring you deeper into meditation and amplify your vibes. So that's really cool. Maybe I will leave this in my office where I tend to do my meditating. My meditation pillow is down on the floor over there, and actually use this when I go to meditate. I'd usually put this in my nightstand and roll it on my wrist before bed, something like that, but I think I'll use this for the intended purpose and see if it makes me feel any kind of special way. So that I'm kind of cool with, and I appreciate that it says not to, it doesn't say to put it on your face somewhere, because that drives me nuts. When they want you to put these essential oil blends on your face, don't do that. Last item, it is from, I don't know, My Little Mascara Club. That's what it's from. And it is the best little mascara ever in the length and definition formula. So this is a $15 value. It says this mascara contains over 90% natural ingredients, including plant-based squalene to protect and strengthen your lashes, and Candela wax for maximum staying power. So always happy to have another mascara. Right now I am using this one that came in the Medusa's makeup box. It is the Witch Lash. But I'm excited to put this in my mascara stash and get around to that eventually. So I'm always happy with a mascara. Let's open this up and look at the brush though, just so we can get an idea what that looks like. My hair is just so wide today. It gets all like fluffy and voluminous whenever I get it done. So, this is a very interesting brush. It is kind of your standard bristle brush, but it's got a curve in it. I don't know if the camera is going to focus it on that or not, but very interesting. I'm excited to get around to that one. I'm going to go ahead and stick that right in my little drawer that I left open over here that has my mascaras in it. And that's everything that came in this box. Actually, let me grab that again. So the mascara, the hand cream, the oil, and the mask. I'm excited about all of these. These are all things I think I'll actually use. And while I will use the scrunchie, since it was sent to me, and you know, you can never have too many hair ties, they tend to disappear, I'm not excited about it. For being called bamboo silk, I don't find this that silky, slippy, and luxurious feeling. This feels cheap to me, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think it's worth $10 at all. Maybe the bamboo refinement process puts it at $10, but I'm not all that jazzed about it. So 4 out of 5, not bad. This was a pretty good box. It's not a very wildly exciting box, but it's a pretty utilitarian box. You know, you'll always need hair cream, you'll always need more mascara. You can never have enough masks. They're just fun to do. This is, in essence, very utilitarian. The only thing that had some pizzazz to it was the Meditate roll-on oil, but I mean, I could see how if you don't meditate, you're probably never going to use this, or maybe you'll just use it a different way. Let me not break it. Anyway, while it's very utilitarian, I still like it. I think this was a good box. So if you got this box, let me know how you like everything. If you got the other box they offered, let me know what kind of different products were in there and if you're excited about them. Any other questions or comments can go down below. If you'd like to give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!